Do you want to speak better English? Do you want to feel sure of yourself when you go to school? Many people feel afraid when they start a new class. They worry about talking to others or making mistakes. But remember, school is an important place for you to grow, not just academically but also personally. In this video, I will help you learn how to become a great student, a confident communicator, and a supportive friend. You will learn how to work with others, how to talk to your teachers, and how to make meaningful friendships. Let's begin this journey together. Working with other students is a big part of school life. This collaborative effort is often called a group project. Imagine you find yourself in a group with 3 other classmates. Let's say one person is named Leo. Leo is very fast at finding information online and has a knack for technology. Another person in your group is named Mia. Mia is incredibly talented at drawing and has a vivid imagination. And you? You are very good at organizing tasks and ensuring that everyone knows what to do. At first, when you come together, you might not know how to combine your strengths effectively. You have different ideas about what the project should look like. Leo wants to present everything on a computer, using slides, while Mia prefers to use paper and create unique drawings by hand. What do? You start by listening to both Leo and Mia. You discuss the pros and cons of each approach and realize that there is a way to incorporate both ideas. Perhaps you can use Leo's digital skills for one part of the project while Mia's artistic talents can shine in another section. This is when you discover the magic of collaboration. When you leverage each person's strengths, the result is something extraordinary. Working together is much like solving a jigsaw puzzle. Every person has a piece that contributes to the overall picture. When you put those pieces together, the project becomes cohesive and beautiful. You learn that listening to others not only helps you understand their perspectives but also enriches your own learning experience. It's okay to share your thoughts, but it's equally important to be open to ideas that differ from your own. This collaborative spirit enhances the overall quality of your project and helps forge stronger friendships among teammates. Now, let's talk about another important aspect of school: communicating with your professors. For many students, talking to teachers can feel intimidating. Professors often seem to be pillars of knowledge, and if you're just starting your academic journey, it's easy to feel small in their presence. However, always remember, they are there to help you. Imagine you have a teacher named Mr. Miller. He teaches a challenging class about science. One day, while discussing a lesson about the moon, you realize that you don't understand the material at all. You might feel frustrated and tempted to give up. However, you choose a different path. After class, instead of leaving with confusion, you approach Mr. Miller. You say, "I'm sorry, but I don't understand this lesson. Can you explain it to me again?" Remarkably, Mr. Miller smiles and appreciates your honesty. He patiently breaks the lesson down into simpler terms and takes you through each concept step by step. By the end of your conversation, you find yourself understanding the lesson. You feel an immense sense of relief and pride, realizing that asking for help is not a sign of weakness at all. It shows that you are motivated to learn. Teachers genuinely appreciate when students inquire and seek clarification. It signifies that you care about your studies. So, do not be afraid to admit, "I do not know." This statement can serve as a stepping stone to knowledge. Each question you pose leads you one step closer to understanding and mastery. Let's address another common experience in school life: giving presentations. A lot of students find speaking in front of the class to be a significant challenge. Your palms might start to sweat, your heart may race as you step up to the front of the classroom. Imagine you have to give a presentation on your favorite book. You stand there at the front of the room, eyeing the students seated in front of you. They are looking right at you. Momentarily, you spot a classmate named Sam smile encouragingly at you. You take a deep breath and muster the courage to start speaking. As you delve into the story, sharing your insights and favorite characters, you begin to forget about your jitters. You are enjoying the moment and feeling passionate about what you are discussing. When you finish your presentation, the class breaks into applause. This experience fills you with pride, as you realize that you are braver than you thought. Presenting allows you to practice and hone your speaking skills. The more you do it, the more comfortable and confident you become. Every presentation is an opportunity to grow. Just remember, practice makes perfect. Believing in yourself makes a significant difference. Now, let's discuss another crucial skill, networking. Although it might sound like a complex term, networking is simply about making connections with people. It's not only useful for finding a job in the future but also important for finding friends and mentors along your academic journey. Picture yourself attending a school meeting focused on art. During the meeting, you meet a student named Zoe. Zoe is passionate about painting, while you have a love for drawing. You strike up a conversation and bond over your shared interests. Both of you start talking about your favorite colors, styles, and artists you admire. As the conversation progresses, you decide to meet again to practice art together. This initial meeting sparks the beginning of a wonderful friendship that enhances both your lives. Networking is akin to planting seeds. You talk to many people, each interaction opens a door for potential connections, and some of those can develop into something truly special. Additionally, don't forget that networking can also help you learn from older students who might provide insights and advice, making your journey easier. At the same time, you can lend a helping hand to younger or newer students, showcasing that support can foster community. When you reach out, you create a network of individuals who can uplift and nurture one another. School is a beautiful and transformative time in your life. It is not just an opportunity to acquire knowledge but also a space where you can learn about yourself, make mistakes, and grow. Each challenge you face, whether working in a group, engaging with your teachers, or building friendships, contributes to your personal development. As you navigate this journey, it is vital to practice self-kindness. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. If you stumble or make a mistake, view it as a learning opportunity rather than a setback. Remember, every successful individual has faced challenges on the road to achievement. It's the perseverance through these trials that shapes us as resilient individuals. So, whether you are collaborating on projects, speaking up in class, or networking with peers, keep in mind that you are doing a commendable job. Embrace your unique strengths and contributions. You are growing every day, evolving into a scholar and a member of your school community. I sincerely hope this video helps you feel more confident as you walk down the hallways of your school. Keep practicing your English daily. Every word you learn and speak helps build your confidence. Do not shy away from challenges, instead, welcome them as valuable lessons for your growth. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to create more lessons tailored to your needs. Additionally, I would love to hear about your experiences and stories. Please write a comment below and share with me, what is your favorite thing about school? Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I wish you the best of luck in your studies. Remember, the most important part of your journey is to keep pushing yourself and keep growing. You have an exciting adventure ahead of you, filled with learning and wonderful experiences. Let this journey enrich you, and may you always strive for knowledge and connection. Until next time, take care, and remember, the sky is the limit.